In this video I'm going to show you how to change your password on Facebook. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Facebook account. Click on the bottom right menu and then click on Settings and Privacy. From there you want to click on Settings, and once you click on Settings you want to click See More in Account Center. From there you want to click on Password and Security, which is the second option below Account Settings. Click on that and then click on Change Password. Choose an account to make changes and wait a few seconds so that it loads, and then you will see your current password. So in the first field you need to enter your current password and then new password and retype your password, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.